Good evening. My name is Brian McMichael. Tonight, I turn in my last assignment toward an associate's degree in science in information technology. Over the past couple of years, I've developed a variety of professional skills such as the use of office programs as well as computer programming, Linux, websites and cybersecurity, networking and other computer mechanical skills. I've even developed entrepreneurial skills. All these things I practiced as I went through. In short, I am now a trained, skilled professional, ready to work in IT. Obviously, I will need my salary to pay my bills. And I currently live in one of the most expensive states in the Union, Hawaii. To best manage all this, I will need to live by a budget. I already do. I find it best to keep a zero-sum plan written on paper. On the one side, I have my income. On the other side, my expenses. Rent, utilities, and allowances for such things as groceries, clothing, transportation, toiletries, and the like. Beyond this, I plan to follow Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University baby steps, starting with a $1,000 emergency fund. Once I have that in place to handle minor emergencies, I will get my student loans paid off. Once that's done, I will build my emergency fund to 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. After that, I will invest for retirement. By this time, I may end up married, and my wife and I may have children. That being the case, I plan to save up for the children's college or trade school as applicable. I also plan to pay off the house early, build wealth, and give, helping my friends, family, church, anything and everything that brings value that I can help. Anyway, besides the ability to manage my money, I've also learned how to communicate professionally with both written and spoken word. Whether written or spoken, communication is best done following certain rules, such as listen carefully, consider well what you say, be courteous, do not try to be politically correct. Which, by the way, is not a form of courtesy. Indeed, it can be argued that political correctness is at best a fig leaf for incredible discourtesy. Always stick to the point. This holds true for emails as well. For technical writing, be it procedures or documentation, stick to the point and use clear, unambiguous language. You do not want it being labeled tilde, as you can see. If necessary, proofread and edit it down before you turn it in. Now is not the time to pad. Better a page or two on point than 5 pages of drivel just to fill paper quotas. There's no shame in learning professional writing. I did in 1999. That was English 309 when they offered it in University of Hawaii at Hilo as professional writing. You might find it under another number. You might even have to search it out elsewhere. online if need be, but learn it. Your employers, colleagues, customers, and in time, employees will thank you. Never dismiss a class or skill just because it's not directly connected to your chosen profession. Too many people ignore or denigrate reading, writing, and math as a waste of time, only to discover that the real waste of time was to build their house on the sand. Build yours on the rock. Professional communication, solid mathematics, including calculus if you like, self-discipline, and a true good health and a true desire to serve people as best you can. That is the excellent way for any profession, but especially for IT. Thank you.